Easter egg hunt, which I stepped in with Greg Roll. However, due to a zoning ordinance issue, apparently a girl in a 900-square-foot apartment can't entertain children, even if the children are between 18 and under 19, and have some kind of...
Look at him hanging upside down.
But I did write a check for $25. There you go. See, it's the Easter stuff.
Not from over here, I can't. Here, I'll come over there. See if I can see him better. I got a glare on the glass door right where he's at. Go back over here to the other side.
The male public employees were told that they had to bring their own toilet paper to work because of budgetary concerns. And when the aldermen heard about this, they thought it was a joke, but it's true because they said that the men were like...
Birds down below picking up scraps. Alright, I'm ready. Oh, I thought I was. Here comes all the chickens.